Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to create a beginner-friendly knitting pattern with a lovely openwork texture that resembles a stockinette stitch. The finished piece is soft, movable, and embossed, which makes this knit perfect for spring and summer. Both sides of the fabric look beautiful. The pattern involves working with 2 loops and 2 rows. It's important to knit loosely and use thicker hooks than usual. Make sure to start with an even number of stitches. The first row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then knit 2 together through the back and make a yarn over loop. Again, knit 2 together through the back and make a yarn over loop. Knit 2 together, yarn over. The second row is on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. Then knit the yarn over loop. Slip 1 loop as if to knit with a thread in front. Again, knit 1, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. This knit is an excellent example of how beauty lies in simplicity. It is perfect for a basic summer cape, cardigan, beach scarf, or tunic. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.